Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Life has been hectic to say the least. We actually had some maintenance at a rental that took us a really long time to clean up, as well as our own yard. Noah's birthday was actually a few weeks ago. His birthday was coming up and we decided that we wanted to finish our yard, or actually work on our yard, because we wanted it to be nice because there was a lot of dust. I don't know if you guys remember if I've even shared with you guys that we had gravel and we ended up moving the gravel to the edging instead, and then we added artificial grass. And I think it's probably one of the best decisions we've made when it comes to landscaping. I'm really happy with it. I will have a video of like the patio makeover. I actually have some things that I want to add first before I share it, so bear with me. Today I'm going to share with you a couple of DIYs that I'm really proud of. I'm so happy with the way that they turned out, and I hope that you guys enjoy it too. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Before we continue with the video, I would like to thank today's sponsor, SMONET. So you guys know that I have slowly updated our home, of course in the most simple ways, but yet impactful. Sometimes it's the smallest things and that make a huge difference. For example, I painted the interior doors and changed the hardware, and that made them look sleek, which I really love. I've actually changed almost all of the hardware. I've been wanting to change the front door because I feel like that's the one that gives you, like that first look into our home, and the handle was just not very cohesive. It was really nice, and I love the fact that it had a code that you could put in. I like the convenience of entering a code and it unlocks automatically for me. One thing about me is that I appreciate convenience as well as the overall look, and if you can have both, why not, right? So SMONET actually offers smart home technology such as door locks, and when they reached out to work with me on a video, I was super stoked because I've been wanting to change that front door lock for a while now. This was like the perfect opportunity. It's like they were in my mind. I don't know, so weird. So I went with the A1 keyless entry door lock set in the color black, of course. It was fairly easy to install. It came with templates to help you install, especially if it's a new door or if you're not very handy. This will really help. It is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. It was also very easy to connect through the app and basically get it going. You can also generate passcodes for specific people, and it will show the activity on the app when it is used, which is really cool. You can also unlock through the app as well as using your thumbprint, which is my personal favorite for Noah because it is so much easier for him. I really love the convenience because it is so much easier to unlock, especially if your hands are full for whatever reason. But most of all, I love the overall look. It's sleek, great quality, and you guys know that I love heavy things, and I really believe that it will go with any style. They have it in a satin black finish as well as matte, black, and silver. I honestly really love it, and so does my little family, and I know yours will too. So make sure to check them out. I will leave a link in the description box for you guys, and once again, thank you SMONET for sponsoring this video. So for the first DIY, I wanted to DIY a piece of art and hang it on this wall right here to hide the remotes. So of course I ended up grabbing a canvas frame, and I DIY'd the Mod Podge with flour and water because I didn't have any Mod Podge in hand. And I actually also found this fabric in my closet, my art supplies closet, I guess you can call it. And I wanted to do kind of like a 3D abstract kind of piece, which I actually got the idea from Pinterest, of course. Next, I'm going to glue the edges to the frame just to make sure that they stay in place, and also to give like a cleaner look because this is actually going to stand out of the frame that I'm going to actually use to hang it, if that makes sense. So I don't know if anybody remembers this frame or this art frame underneath. It's actually from Target. It's a couple years old. I didn't like it for a really long time and I just kept it in my closet, and I decided to take it apart because I thought it would fit perfectly for what I had in mind in this project. And of course I ended up also spray painting it black because I just like the black better. I feel like it would go better with the art. I also ended up finding this in our garage. It's a little really long, kind of like a hinge I used for something previously, and I I keep everything basically, but it ended up working perfect for this project. Also, I am screwing it obviously to the frame, and then I'm screwing the other side is going to go to the wall directly. The depth of this frame was actually perfect for my remotes, but I do know that depending on everybody else's, it's going to be different. And I've seen this actually be done differently, but I honestly wanted it the easiest possible, and it works out for me. For the next DIY, I'm going to make a pedestal using these tiles. So I've been wanting one for a really long time, and I now have the opportunity because I had a few of these pieces left over from the guest bathroom makeover, which I will share with you guys soon. This ended up working perfectly fine because the tile is pretty tall and I felt like the height was going to be perfect. And I also really love this flooring, so it works out even better for me. So for the last piece, I ended up using tile adhesive instead of the liquid glue nails that I used previously, just because I thought that it wasn't going to be strong enough, but it ended up working. My husband says that the liquid glue nail thing has like this bond where it actually is hard, like almost like concrete. So I mean, it works. So if you decide to do this or to try it, you can actually go either way and it'll work perfectly fine. Well, that is all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about these DIYs? Also, don't forget to check out SMONET. The link will be in the description box below. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Bye!